What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to show you a few things I got from Edge Tuners. I got a 2007 F250 King Ranch. It's pretty much stock. I just put a new engine oil cooler on it, and I did a EGR delete. But you know, it's a pretty nice truck. It's only got like 106,000 miles. Really good running truck. But I did reach out to Edge. I got an Edge tuner for this truck, so I'm kind of excited to see how this truck runs. Justin has a hub dyno coming. You guys know my son, he's drag racing. He's got a hub dyno coming. Hopefully it gets here before. I'll show you the tuner. I haven't actually put it on yet, but I'm wanting him to get that hub dyno here. I'd like to put this truck on the dyno, actually do a dyno pull, see what kind of horsepower it makes, and then put the Edge tuner on there and see what the horsepower makes that way. That'd be a pretty cool setup. But anyways, I'll show you the truck here real quick. It does have a cold air intake on it, so it's not completely stock, and it does have a 4-inch exhaust system on it. But me and Jay's out here working right now today. Jay's just changing the oil on it, changing the fuel filters, getting her all ready. Yeah, man, it's a cool old truck, man. It's only got 106,000 miles. Got a little paint corrections I got to do to it, but I don't really drive it much. But it's a good running truck. A lot of these guys don't like these 6.0s, but their biggest demise is the engine oil cooler and the EGR, which I just did the EGR delete on it and just put a new engine oil cooler. I did not stud it. You know, they bulletproof them and stud them, but I'm never going to put a lot of horsepower to it and run it so hard, so I don't think it'll really affect me too much. This shit right here? Yeah, I put the arch oil in these trucks to add into the oil, and I use it in the fuel additive too. It's good stuff. But anyways, let's look at this deal right here that I got from Edge. So I don't know much about them. I've read up on them, but I've got some I'm gonna put in my Power Stroke 7.3s as well. But I've read up on them. There's really good reviews on them, and yeah, I'm excited to put this thing on this truck and see what it's gonna do. Let me pull this thing back here. So, got all the paperwork with it. You can do a lot of stuff with this thing. You can hook up a lot of channels. You can read your EGTs. You can read your boost pressure. You can read your fuel pressure. You can read your engine temp. You can get and add whatever you want to this thing. It's a really nice setup. Now, I don't know this to be true, so we'll find out when we dyno it, but they say this tuner will put up to 140 horsepower. It's got a nice little window piece. You stick it in the corner of your window and you put the whole gauge there. But yeah, packaged up real nice. I'm sure I won't be able to get it back in the package, but so it'll have a screen, have all my parameters that I'll set up in here, and yeah, I'll be able to watch this thing, see what she's gonna do. I don't know what's in this piece. I think this is empty. Yes, sir. So anyways, I'll probably put this over that screen. I'm excited to get this thing on here, get this on this truck. Like I said, I'm not actually going to put it on just this minute. I do want to put this thing on a dyno, see what kind of power it makes prior to putting this tuner on here, and then you know, put the tuner on here and let's see if it really makes 140 horsepower. I have to read up on it. I don't know if that's rear wheel horsepower or flywheel horsepower. I kind of think it's rear wheel horsepower because I doubt they're putting motors on an engine dyno and checking out what it'll do. So I'm thinking it's on a hub dyno, which, you know, that's usually about, I don't know how much you lose, 15, 18%, I guess. How much, Jay? Yeah, so maybe 15%, 18%, whatever. But anyways, yeah, I'll let you know. I'll get that thing going and we will put that thing on the hub dyno and see what kind of power it makes. We'll do a stock pull and then we'll put the Edge tuner on. And I think it has 6 stages. I haven't read up on it too much, but it has an idle up, has like a cruise tune, an economy tune, an aggressive tune, a street strip tune, and then a heavy tone tune, and then a all rip-ass tuned. So it's got 6 stages to it. I think you just push the screen. It's kind of like you know, the Holley EFI Sniper 2, same thing with the screen. I can, like in my trucks that have the 460 in them, I got the Holley EFI Sniper 2 on those, and you know, I got tune-ups that are in them files on the touch screen. You can just touch the screen, you can change tune-ups in that thing while you're driving it. But anyways, yeah, I'll get back with you and we'll do this video right here and see how it did before, and we'll see how it did after, and we'll see if the results are good. So that's all I got for now. If you guys like the channel, like and subscribe and share, hit that bell notification button, and we'll see you on the next one.